Here I have Doogee S80, and today I'm going to show you how to customize custom key on this device. So to do this, let's open settings, then go to the custom key function, and here firstly you have to enable this custom key, and now you can customize it. For example, you can set it to enable SOS mode, or you can just set it to be like this custom mode. And in custom mode, it's like just opens app. So here you can pick which app it will open when you long press this key. For example, let's open Chrome, and as you can see right now, if I long press this custom key, it will open Google Chrome. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.